To summarize our discussions for examples 1, 2, and 3, here are the steps involved in identifying the GCF of expressions. First, factor each numerical coefficient into primes, and one way to do this is to make use of the factor tree method. Then, for the variables, write all variables with exponents in expanded form. Once you have written the given expressions in prime factorization form, the second step is then to identify the common factors. You may encircle these common factors, or you may try to bring them down and rewrite this. Finally, the third step is to multiply all of these common factors. Multiplying all of these factors common to all the expressions will finally give you the GCF of the expressions. If there are questions, feel free to contact your respective teachers. Your next activity is to answer exercise 1.4 in Schoology.